I'm going to show you new Premiere Pro features that you probably didn't know about. The last one is my favorite. Come over here and select this icon over here. I can expand my screen, hit the escape button to reset it back. If I move to the next tab over here, I can always check my progress bar. With this progress bar, I can see auto saves and other progresses that are taking place within the background, like rendering and all of that. And the next one is quick export, and just choose the name and location, change one settings and hit export. Another option here again is the workspace. With this workspace, I can quickly navigate to other interfaces. For example, if I'm done editing and I want to color my video, all I need to do is to switch to the color interface. And now I have this tab over here, the lumetric scope. And then I have the lumetric color tab over here. And also I can just switch over to the audio tab, and now I can select my audio and begin to navigate my audio over here. You can also have all the tabs at once if you prefer. Just come over to all panels over here and you have all the panels, and it's just with a single click.